They called to thank us. उन्होंने हमें धन्यवाद देने के लिए बुलाया. They called to thank us. He takes the letters for distribution. वह बांटने के लिए पत्र लेता है. He takes the letters for distribution. It is an interesting book. यह एक दिलचस्प किताब है. It is an interesting book. She herself noted the address. उसने खुद एड्रेस नोट किया. She herself noted the address. The brick fell on the floor itself. ईंट फर्श पर गिरी अपने आप. ईंट अपने आप फर्श पर गिरी. The brick fell on the floor itself. रवि is asking for the ball. रवि बॉल के लिए पूछ रहा है. Give it to him. उसे दे दो. उसे यह दे दो. रवि is asking for the ball. Give it to him. The computer belongs to them. कंप्यूटर उनका है. The computer belongs to them. This cupboard is mine. यह कबर्ड मेरी है. This cupboard is mine. Her purse is lost. उसका पर्स खो गया है. Her purse is lost. Look before you leap. छलांग मारने से पहले देखो. Look before you leap. अनुष्का is my friend. अनुष्का मेरी दोस्त है. अनुष्का is my friend. The boatman sang while he rowed the boat. नाव चलाने के दौरान नाव चलाने वाले ने गाना गाया. The boatman sang while he rowed the boat. I am going to New York tomorrow. मैं कल न्यूयॉर्क जा रहा हूँ. I am going to New York tomorrow. This house belongs to me. यह घर मेरा है. This house belongs to me. He owns the most beautiful mansion in London. वह लंदन में सबसे सुंदर हवेली का मालिक है. He owns the most beautiful mansion in London. It will rain soon. बहुत जल्द ही बारिश होगी. It will rain soon. You will get a shock. तुम्हें एक शॉक लगेगा. If you will touch the socket. अगर तुम सॉकेट को हाथ लगाओगे. With wet hands. गीले हाथों के साथ. You will get a shock if you touch the socket with wet hands. The red car over there belongs to him. वहां पर लाल रंग की कार उसकी है. That red car over there belongs to him. I helped the old man in crossing the road. मैंने बूढ़े आदमी की मदद की रोड क्रॉस करने में. I helped the old man in crossing the road. He dances gracefully. वह शान से नाचता है. He dances gracefully. This is my pen. यह पेन मेरा है. This is my pen. Those people standing over there are the participants. जो लोग वहां खड़े हैं वह पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं. Those people standing over there are the participants. These gloves are nice. यह gloves अच्छे हैं. These gloves are nice. That dog belongs to Mr. Shah. वह कुत्ता मिस्टर शाह का है. That dog belongs to Mr. Shah. That is my watch. वह घड़ी मेरी है. That is my watch. This is the man who stole the necklace from the museum. यह वह शख्स है जिसने म्यूजियम से हार चुराया था. This is the man who stole the necklace from the museum. Those are Mahi's chocolate. वह माही की चॉकलेट है. Those are Mahi's chocolate. These dresses are quite expensive but pretty. यह ड्रेसेस बहुत महंगी हैं लेकिन सुंदर है. These dresses are quite expensive but pretty. This is my book. यह किताब मेरी है. But he says it is his. मगर वो कहता है कि यह उसकी है. This is my book. But he says it is his. Ruchi says that this is her house. रुचि कहती है कि यह घर उसका है. But Naman says the house is his. मगर नमन कहता है कि घर उसका है. रुचि says that this is her house. But Naman says that the house is his. The queen likes her necklace. रानी को अपना हार पसंद है. I wish it was mine. काश यह मेरा होता. The queen likes her necklace. I wish it was mine. This is my toy and not his. यह मेरा खिलौना है और उसका नहीं. This is my toy and not his. Their car has been sent for repair. उनकी गाड़ी रिपेयर होने के लिए भेजी जा चुकी है. They want to use us. वह हमारी इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं. Their car has been sent for repair. They want to use us. My pen is blue and so is yours. मेरा पेन नीला है और तुम्हारा भी. My pen is blue and so is yours. My doll walks and talks. मेरी डॉल चलती है और बात करती है. And so does yours. और तुम्हारी भी. My doll walks and talks and so does yours. How can I take your money? मैं तुम्हारे पैसे कैसे ले सकता हूँ? It is not mine. यह मेरे नहीं है. How can I take your money? It is not mine. Her books are lost. उसकी बुक्स गुम हो गई हैं. May I give mine? क्या मैं अपनी दूं? Her books are lost. May I give mine? Go to your class. अपनी क्लास में जाओ. This is ours. यह हमारी है. Go to your class. This is ours. She herself is not very particular. वह खुद बहुत खास नहीं है. About her outward appearance. उसके बाहरी रूप के बारे में. She herself is not very particular about her outward appearance. You yourself wanted to come to Hampi. तुम खुद ही हैम्पी आना चाहते थे. You yourself wanted to come to Hampi. He gave himself a mental shake. उसने खुद को मानसिक रूप से हिलाया. And started paying more attention to the figures on paper. और कागज पर आंकड़ों पर अधिक ध्यान देना शुरू कर दिया. He gave himself a mental shake and started paying more attention on the figures on paper. She does all her household chores herself. वह अपने घर के सारे काम खुद करती है. She does all her household chores herself. He cut himself while shaving. शेव करते हुए उसने खुद को कट कर लिया. He cut himself while shaving. We ourselves are to be blamed for the confusion. हम खुद confusion के लिए दोषी माने जाते हैं. We ourselves are to be blamed for the confusion. The day itself had been hot. दिन खुद ही बहुत गर्म हो चुका था. The day itself had been hot. What is that you have the most? वह क्या है जो आपके पास सबसे ज्यादा है? What is that you have the most? यह सबसे अच्छा It has been the best meal that I have ever had. यह सबसे अच्छा भोजन है जो मैंने कभी खाया है. It has been the best meal that I have ever had. The book that I bought yesterday, जो किताब मैंने कल खरीदी थी, has been misplaced. किसी गलत जगह पर रखी जा चुकी है, मतलब गुम हो चुकी है. The book that I bought yesterday has been misplaced. This is Rita's letter about what I told you yesterday. यह रीटा का पत्र है जो मैंने कल तुम्हें बताया था. This is Rita's letter about what I told you yesterday. I am waiting for my friend. मैं अपने दोस्त का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. Whom are you waiting for? तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? I am waiting for my friend. Whom are you waiting for? The girl whose mother is ill, लड़की जिसकी मदर बीमार है, is here, यहाँ पर है, asking for help, मदद के लिए पूछ रही है. The girl whose mother is ill is here, asking for help. The book that you had lost has been found by Ira. जो बुक तुमने खो दी थी, ईरा द्वारा पाई गई है. The book that you had lost yesterday, has been found by Ira. Are parents coming on annual day? क्या पेरेंट्स एनुअल डे पर आ रहे हैं? Are parents coming on annual day? We often talk to ourselves. हम अक्सर खुद से बातें करते हैं. We often talk to ourselves. Those are my books. वह किताबें मेरी है. Those are my books. That box over the table is mine. वह बक्सा जो टेबल के ऊपर है मेरा है. That box over the table is mine. What is that noise? वह शोर क्या है? What is that noise? Please excuse me this time. कृपया इस बार मुझे क्षमा करें. Please excuse me this time. What is the matter? माजरा क्या है? What is the matter? This is the house. यह घर है. Jack built it. जैक ने इसे बनाया था. This is the house. Jack built it. He is a kind man. वह एक दयालु आदमी है. He is a kind man. They hurt themselves during the game. उन्होंने खेल के दौरान खुद को चोट पहुंचाई. They hurt themselves during the game. We should trust a man. हमें एक आदमी पर भरोसा करना चाहिए. Who is honest. जो ईमानदार है. We should trust a man who is honest.